like any kind of topic, all are language learner. Because why people join in this platform? Maybe they divert their mind, it's okay, but their primary goal is how to improve their language, how to enhance their spoken part, how to cultivate and improve and boost their fluency, how to increase their vocabulary, how to correct their grammar, how to communicate with anyone long time, how to take topic, how to participate on topic or on the stage, right? Because we never get only physical stage and catch microphone and deliver our speech 1 hour. It is a small platform, but if you have a big purpose, then definitely small step lead your success, not a big step, right? First of all, we have to focus small step. If you cannot control and manage in unknown people, stranger, then how can manage whole 10 people and 20 people? How you deliver your speech in front of them, right? Then first of all, online, because we never meet each other, right? But we can share anything here. It is not a classroom, right? It has no one guider here. We guide ourselves. Someone like, it's okay. Someone doesn't like, it's okay. But we directly, consciously, unconsciously improve ourselves, right?
Yes, yes, sure.
Yeah, that's why we you want to learn more thing, and you, that's why you want to discuss any kind of topic or any kind of thing, because you are working one department and it required for you. Leadership quality required for your professional life, soft skill required for your professional life, communication required for your professional life. It helps, those ingredient help
Yeah.
to get your promotion in future. If you sit that position, then if you don't have good command in communication, good at it language, then how can you manage all situation? People, they evaluate through your communication, they evaluate your attitude behavior through your communication. They never ask you what's your degree. If you greet them, if you deliver your speech in front of them, then they evaluate your attitude and behavior, right? And they can evaluate you, he or she is a good at knowledge, and he can manage office, he can manage everything.
Yes, you're right. Yes.
Yeah, that's why it is a knowledge is a ocean, never complete, never finish till that.
Yeah.
A knowledge is a just raw material. If you don't practice, you cannot get skill, you cannot improve your skill. And if you never practice, you never get that product as a skill. That's why if you have degree or you never talk with anyone, you never improve your language. If that's why people, they fail in interview. They have a double degree on their hand and they appear long time their interview and they sit their competition exam, but they never succeed, right?
Mm,
And they fail the interview
yes.
because of they never practice with anyone, they never talk with any type of people. That's why they fail, and they tell you don't have good communication and you cannot handle the situation. They, you have a good degree, it's okay, but degree never run your office. Degree never solve the issue. Because why people they take interview? viva test, because they evaluate your leadership quality, they evaluate your soft skill, how you, if you get any kind of unexpected situation or any kind of issue your office, then how can you
Yeah. How
manage?
are you handling the situations
Yeah,
during the tough time? Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. How
that's
do you
why.
handle the pressure? So, yeah.
Yeah, people that
So
interviewer
sometimes they are
examiner.
asking about the multitasking. Yeah.
Yeah,
So whether
ex-
you have the ability to handle a multitask at a time,
yeah,
and how do you handle the pressures? You know. Yeah.
that's
So,
why.
so
Otherwise,
these
people they
all
don't know.
are the attributes or the quality
Hmm.
that measure. I mean the measurements to be certified a person, so whether he is a good leader or not.
Right. That's why interview
Hmm.
take. Otherwise, even though they complete their preliminary exam, they complete their main exam, and they go to sit the viva test. Right? Because viva
Yeah.
test, they do it examiner, they saw your degree. How much degree do you have? Right? You have a 2 degree,
Yes.
3 degree, PhD, MTech, MPhil, MA, whatever you have degree, still they take your viva test. Due to they evaluate your leadership quality, they evaluate your communication skill, they evaluate you how to manage the office situation, office politics and public, he or she has leadership quality or not, they evaluate through your interview. Right? People they succeed
Yes. Yes.
everything, preliminary, main, or they fail viva test.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well said.
that is a thing. People that think themselves, I have a double degree, no need to talk with any. If you don't talk with other people, then how can you read the people mindset?
Mm-hmm.
Right? If you don't talk with anyone, then how can you read people mindset? What kind of are they? But
Yes.
people they never practice. It require practice. It require talk with different mentality people out of comfort zone. How to tackle situation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What time do you take your dinner?
Still, I have time.
Okay.
Okay. If you feel hungry and you want
I
to leave,
took
you
my
can
dinners.
you can
I
leave.
I took my dinners. I
You
have
you
done.
had your dinner already.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Still, I have time. Then
Yeah. That's why I
please
asked you.
you can talk. And there is IUC. It's down. You can check her up.
Yeah. Sometime I invite, but people they never join. I don't know, but let's see. I will see she can
Maybe
join or not.
the setting issue.
I invited. Okay, welcome.
She's joining. She's joining.
Welcome. I see. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. Happy New Year. And 2026. Have you made your to-do list for 2026, or you never make any kind of to-do list for this year, current year?
I think it's breaking from you. The
My
voice is
side,
breaking.
my side.
If I'm not wrong, I think from your side, yeah. I want to make sure with IUC. Is it fine for you, or you are also, uh, I mean, face the same? It's breaking actually. Her voice is breaking. Do you feel the same?
I was